Ford has been forced to stop Mustang production. Now, isn't that sad news? Now, it won't be the only model suffering a setback. Automakers are currently trying to navigate the uncharted waters, the global semiconductor chip shortage for vehicles, which can be traced back to carmakers canceling their orders to suppliers as a result of the pandemic forced factory closures. This is expected to drag on through most of 2021, if no longer. Ford has already been forced to build this popular F-150 full-size truck without a fuel management module to help conserve semiconductor chips. While Chevy has halted the Camaro production entirely, the Ford Mustang will soon be next. The Detroit News has confirmed with a Ford spokesperson that the Flat Rock Assembly Plant in Detroit, Michigan, where the Mustang is built, will be shut down, hopefully temporarily, during the weeks of May the 3rd to May the 10th. Wow. Now, the shutdown will affect other plants as well, including the Chicago Assembly that builds the Explorer, Police Interceptor, and the Lincoln Aviator, and Kansas City, one of two homes for the F-150. It also builds the Transit commercial van. Now, during this time, the Avon Lake, Ohio plant will only manufacture Super Duty cabs and medium duty trucks. Only last week, Flat Rock and Chicago were shut down, but managed to briefly start up again until next month closure. Ford American plants aren't the only ones suffering these days. Facilities in Romania, Spain, Germany, and Turkey are all expected to experience downtime and reduced shifts in the next few weeks. Wow, this is quite sad. Now, Ford North America plants continue to be affected by the global semiconductor shortage, along with automakers and other industries around the world as well. Now, John Savona, Ford Vice President of Manufacturing and Labor Affairs, wrote in a memo sent to employees, "As you build every vehicle you can for our dealers and customers, our teams behind the scenes are working hard to source additional parts." To give you a clear understanding of just how bad the semiconductor chip shortage is damaging the global automakers, Alex Partner, a global consulting firm, estimates the entire industry could lose an estimated of $61 billion just this year alone. Wow. That's what happens when around 2.5 million vehicles can't be fully assembled. For now, Ford has not extended the Mustang and other plant downtimes beyond those 2 weeks in May. But don't be surprised if this ultimately happens. What news, folks? This is Automotive Reviews, and thanks for stopping by. And yes, Ford has been forced to stop Mustang production. Hey you guys, this is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for coming to the channel. And I appreciate your time. Have an awesome and fantastic day. And thanks for coming by.